I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain Lincoln Nautilus versus Ford Edge, which is better. Start by comparing engines, interior space, fuel economy, safety, and ownership costs. I will highlight where each model shines, including driving feel, tech features, and cabin quality. Listen for clear takeaways to match your priorities like comfort, value, or performance. By the end, you'll know which SUV fits your needs and budget with practical pros and cons. We'll dig into performance details and real-world economy so you can choose with confidence. I'll explain how horsepower, torque, and drivetrain affect daily driving and highway comfort. Expect clear MPG comparisons and notes about towing limits and ride refinement. I'll also point out which model feels sportier versus more relaxed, helping you pick based on driving habits rather than badges or trim levels alone. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more useful car comparisons. Quick recommendation: bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers, great for keeping snacks tidy on road trips and test drives. Check the description for the product link and other deals so you can grab a set before your next outing. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Next, we focus on comfort and ownership so you understand long-term value. I'll compare interior materials, seating ergonomics, and how quiet each cabin is at highway speeds. We'll also review infotainment, passenger ergonomics, and cargo practicality for weekend trips. Finally, I'll summarize typical ownership costs like maintenance expectations, insurance tendencies, and resale considerations to help you plan beyond the sticker price.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.